So this is one of the best ways I've found to clean a really dirty old engine bay. In this case, this car is 25 years old. I don't think this engine's ever been cleaned, as you can probably tell. So this is the product that I'm going to be using today, the CRC Heavy Duty Pro Strength Degreaser, and this is a foaming cleaner, which is nice because it you don't have to rinse it. So right back here is what we're going to be cleaning. There's some plastic, some metal, and just to show you that this isn't just dust or anything, it's not going to come right out. Let me wipe it here. Yeah, it is. It's pretty good on there. It's so let's see how this cleaner does. And get around here. So the way this works, usually you want to put a good amount on there and just let it sit for a couple seconds, and then get to wiping it off. If you do use a lot, it tends to get kind of wet, and it's kind of a pain to clean off. So that may have been a little too much, but it'll show. So, all right, here we go. And this does work on all surfaces. It's safe to use on plastics, it says, as well as paint. So you can use this on your paint if you want, if you've got something. I used it when I had a pretty nasty oil stain on my paint, and it cleaned it right up. So it's great for that purpose. And I find it works great on engine parts, kind of where you would use brake cleaner. Brake cleaner is kind of harsh for a lot of things. If you just want to clean up some oil, clean up some dust, clean up some gunk, this is the perfect solution. And it doesn't leave a big mess. You don't have to get the hose in here. So yeah. It doesn't seem to mess with the electronics. I've sprayed, plugs and stuff with it, and they're all working fine. So it cleans them right up. You'll notice it's not very good if it only really works on the areas where you directly spray it onto. So like back here, if I just try to wipe it a little bit further, it doesn't really work. You need to actually spray it on there. You can't just put it on the rag and then wipe the rag around. So anything you want to clean, you got to actually have the foam on there. But as you can see, I think that turned out pretty good. That took what, a minute? So super easy. No rinsing. Look at that. It's shiny. You can see a reflection on that plastic. So that's 25 years of gunk that just got cleaned up in 1 minute. And no rinsing. We don't got to get the hose in here. Don't have to do anything. It works on metal, works on plastic. Here's some other portions of the engine that I did with it. So, yeah. I do need to clean up the rest of it. Just haven't gotten around to it. So. And I'll put a link in the description for this product. Again, that's the CRC Heavy Duty Pro Strength Degreaser. I'll have the link to that so you can get your own can. These are really cheap. These are what I think I spent $7 or something on this big can. And this is still my first can, and I use this on all kinds of stuff. So it really does last a while. It's a pretty economical cleaner. So that's what I recommend you use for pretty much anything.